Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. I hope you people are safe and fine at home. Before we go into the session, we will start our session with prayer. Please join your hands, close your eyes. Dear Lord, when I turn to the right, you are there. When I turn to the left, you are there. You never leave my side. I am overwhelmed by the amazing way you blessed my life. Thank you, God, for being with us. Hello, children. Today we are going to see the types of computer. Lesson 1, Types of Computer. Already in last class we discussed about supercomputer and mainframe computer. And today we are going to learn about mini computer and a microcomputer. Before we learn about mini computer and microcomputer, just we will recall what we have learnt in the last session. What we have learnt in the last session? We have learnt about supercomputer and a mainframe computer. So what is supercomputer? Can anyone answer? No. So okay, we will just recall. Supercomputer are most powerful computer. They are the powerful computer in this world. Okay, they can perform high level demands of jobs. All the tough jobs can be performed with help of the supercomputer. You all know rocket launching, weather forecasting. Yes, all those things are done with help of the supercomputer. So supercomputer are very expensive. They are very expensive and they will use only for high level jobs. Okay, like weather forecasting, rocket launching, space exploration, all those things can be done with help of the supercomputer. Mainframe computers are also called as multi-user system. Mainframe computers are also called as multi-user system. Multiple people can access this from anywhere around the world. So they are large in size. Compared to supercomputer, mainframe computer are a bit smaller. But compared to other next computers, it is big, large in size. It can store or process a large amount of data. It can process a large, huge amount of data. This is used in banks and education institution. Have you all gone to the banks? Yes. So the people will have multiple system over there and they will be accessing the details of a customer from different end, right? So that's what they have said this computer as a multi-user system. Anyone can access this from any end of the world. Okay. Next one, today we are going to see about mini computer. We are going to see about mini computer. Mini computers were developed by IBM Corporation and first used during the 1960s. So this computer was found in the year of 1960 by IBM. Mini computers are several times the size of desktop PCs and are only one step below mainframe computer. It's just one step below the mainframe computers. Microcomputers are also known as personal computers, PC. A microcomputer is designed for an individual use. It is designed only for the purpose of individual use. Personal computers or PC and desktop computer are synonyms of the term microcomputer. So what we will say, personal computer as a PC. Desktop computers are synonyms of the term microcomputer. So desktop meaning is what? Microcomputer. So some of the examples are desktop computers, laptops, gaming consoles, netbooks, personal digital assistant, tablets and smartphones are the types of microcomputer. These computers are cheapest among the other three types of computer. So among the other three, this microcomputer is the cheapest computer. What are the other three types of computer, children? Supercomputer, mainframe computer and mini computer. So this microcomputer is used for what purpose? This computer is designed only for entertainment, education and work purpose. So some of the manufacturing of microcomputers are Dell Company, Apple, Samsung, Sony, Toshiba are the well-known manufacturers of microcomputer. Now we will recall what you have learned about mini computer and a microcomputer. So another name of mini computer is what, children? Mid-range computers. They are larger than desktop computer. What is desktop computer? Desktop, what is the name, a meaning of synonyms of desktop? It is a microcomputer. So compared to microcomputer, mini computer is bit larger. It is used by the businessmen in the year of 1960s and 1970s to process a large amount of data. It is obsolete now. Microcomputer. Another name of microcomputer is personal computers. This personal computer is designed for an individual use. It is only for a person. Examples are desktop computer, laptops, gaming consoles, netbooks, personal digital assistants, tablets and smartphones. I know you people are very familiar with these names, right? Yes. This personal computer is used for entertainment, education and work purpose. For what purpose, children? Education, entertainment and work purpose. Children, before we end up the session, I would like to ask you a few questions. How many types of computers are there? What are they? There are 4 types of computers. Supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer and microcomputer. Among these 4, which is a fast and powerful computer? Supercomputer. Which is multitasking, multi-user computer? Mainframe computer. Mid-range computers are also known as mini computer. Personal computers are also known as microcomputers. Children, I will just attach the photocopy of the textbook. Please go through this and make use of it. Thank you, children. See you all in the next class through Google Meet. Excited to see you all. Bye. Take care, children.